This video will show you how to set up the battery-less remote kill switch on the Bugzi children's chair. Please let us know if you have any questions or if you're not sure of anything, and always make sure that the Bugzi is used under supervision of an adult and that the child is close by. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay, we're going to install the no battery remote kill switch on the Bugzi. Here is the kill switch here. We're simply going to Velcro this onto the side of the battery box here. Then we're going to run the red and black cable around to the other side, the back of the Omni display, and you'll see down there is a port that we have installed. So we simply plug it in there, and then we take the a 3.5 millimeter cable, plug it in to the back of the switch. I'm going to run this through the battery box cable here, Velcro here, strap, and run it around to the side of the Omni display here, where it will plug into the on-off port here. Just plug it in there and we are done. The remote kill switch functions in a toggle pressing the B, A, and B buttons. So the first time you press B, A, B, you will turn the chair on and the display. If you press B, A, B again, it will stop the chair. This functions as the kill switch, so if the child is going towards a wall or stairs or somewhere where you just don't want him or her to go, then that is the B, A, B will stop the chair. And pressing B, A, B again will turn the display and the chair back on. So just watch the following video and it should be clear. Okay, thank you.